Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Pawswing automatic grooming house. This is Boogie. He's gonna help me unbox this thing. What is it, Boogie? All right, here's some instructions. Some assembly required. That. Okay, silicone food boil, that's cool. Okay, this should just assemble pretty easily, I think. Maybe that was the whole issue there. I don't know why that would make a difference, but if these go inside and we do it, we'll see what that does for us. Here's that one, and just slide that in there. And that locks into place. And then we got grooves. That should align up. There's a groove there. Maybe it's the other way. So pay attention to the grooves in the bottom here. It's difficult to tell. There's a little groove here, this little line here. And then line them up on here. And then they should just drop into there. These should lock in to place there. I'm gonna use this to kind of push that down. I think we're pretty good. Whew. You need this part. What is that? Look at your little tails in the way, Boog. Alrighty. Hey, Boog. Ah! It's scratching already. That's it. Oh my goodness. Whoa, whoa. He's really scratching. What is it, Boogie? Oh my goodness. What is it? He likes it already. All right, so now we can turn it this way. It's okay, Boogie. There we go. Don't hurt me. Two boogies. Oh, hi, Boog. What do you think? All right, that was not too bad. So we can unlock this and open this up. And then this can be adjusted. Single cat, day one. Oops. We can make it smaller. And that way when the cat goes in and out, this kind of gonna brush him a little bit. And these are flexible too, so. What are you doing in there, Boog? Hi. You come out? So they go in there, and these go in. And these kind of brush him. What are you doing, Boog? You want to come out? Come here. Come here. What are those? He really likes scratching the sides, that's for sure. Boog. He might just take a little nap in there. Come on, Boog. Come on, yeah, it's okay. Yes. There you go, Boog. That was easy, huh? That was easy. So to train him, you want to start out a little bit bigger. That was kind of small for him. He wasn't so sure how to get through there. So now he's fine. But looks like there's some hair on there already. On here, so they go through, and that has these little claws on there that help take the fur off or whatever. So when they go out, that should go this way, and then they go back in. That should just go back and forth like that.
The Pawswing Neo is engineered to precisely replicate this biomechanical design. It delivers a comforting touch that feels instinctively familiar, like the lick of a mother cat. It also replicates the natural two-step grooming sequence. First, it mimics the gentle press of the tongue, flattening the coat. Second, its unique spines then penetrate the compressed fur, reaching the root for a thorough, deep, clean detangling, just like how the cats do. It turns mealtime into grooming time naturally. It uses your cat's love for food to encourage a quick brush-up, just like they would clean themselves after a meal in the wild. Pawswing Neo, scientifically designed, completely silent, stress-free.
Okay, so you want to unlock it, just open this up. It's green, it's open. Then you can open this up. So day one, I had this little guide on here. I just kind of separated it a little bit. Day one, you kind of want to open it up all the way and then gradually just kind of decrease it so the cats will get used to it. So these little things, they're not really used to these. And once they realize it's not a big deal, then they'll just go in there. But really spacious. Boogie really likes like scratching in there. So that's cool. And then it just locks up. You can lock it right here. Red, if you want to put the food bowl in there. Oh wow, this food bowl is pretty legit. It like stuck on my floor. That's kind of cool. This top just opens up here like that. Just take that off. Put cat food in there. That. And put this back on. They're just going to get used to it and just gradually make it smaller. We'll work this for a little while. Like these are really effective. If you guys ever used basically these like upholstery rollers before, they actually work really good. So we already have some Boogie hair caught on here, so we can see he's shed not too much. I have another cat that does a little bit, so I'm going to put this in their little house and we'll check on it. All right, friends, well, final thoughts on this. So my cats, my gray cat will go in here and get the food, but when it's the opening is smaller here, these little things, little kind of sweepers, are kind of like distract them a little bit, and they don't want to really go in there. So granted, when I put this in my cat's house, this is not the only thing that has food in it. So they have the food on the other, their food bowl also. So that was a little thing. I'm sure if this was just only the food in here, they would go in there. But it's just because they're a little bit timid. They're not used to these things when it's shut all the way and like kind of pushing their way in. But it's like no real different than, you know, like a cat door. My cats use a cat door just fine. Those push in there and go. So, I mean, once they can see that this is not, it's not like gonna hurt them or anything like that. And these are really soft and gentle, but my cats just didn't get used to it. So, kind of a good idea. I like that. I mean, I think this will work really good with the different cats. I mean, obviously on the video, you see the other cats are using it. My cats were just a little bit, because the food wasn't exclusively in there, they didn't think it was really worth their time. My cat Boogie that we saw, he will go in here and just kind of take a nap in there, and he really likes this material to scratch. Even though this is like solidly built, it's sturdy. He scratches in there a lot. He's pretty powerful, but there was no damage or anything like that. So I like the concept. I think it'll work good just with my situation where I have like an electric food dispenser, and because of the size of it, it's pretty good size. It wouldn't necessarily fit in here, and I didn't want to take that out because the cats have their own little separate space. So that's basically why this didn't work for me in my situation. But as far as the concept of it and everything like that, I think it'll work really well if you have a exclusive food bowl that you can just put in there for the cats, and they're gonna go in there and get it, obviously. So yeah, great little idea here, guys. I really like taking care of the cats. I mean, getting rid of the hair and stuff. They're not gonna have hairballs and things like that. Less stuff when they come in the house or whatever is not gonna get hair flying all over the place when they jump up on stuff. So pretty cool idea. I like it a lot. Just for my particular scenario, didn't work out for my cats. I mean, like I said, Boogie still goes in there and hangs out once in a while. He'll take a little nap in there. But yeah, for it to work like the best, you would need to just have a singular food source in there, and that's where they have to go in there and get it, and then they'll get used to it and there'll be no problem, just like the cat door or something like that. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.